are pleased to show you the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lamps, compass, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.